So the topic that I picked for my technology tool was WordPress, and this is just the end result of how you can share it. Um, this is how you start it, actually. Let me go back to it. So you go to WordPress, obviously. Go to WordPress, and you log in. I'm already logged in, and you go to my site. You create basically a blog for English classes. I know I did it for my English class. So my blog post was it was four that was published. Obviously, you can see it was 7 months ago. You get stats upon who received or who's seen your blogs or anything like that. Um, but it's great for classes such as English, and it's great for online classes too because you get to share your papers and everything and such. You can add, you can edit. Everything was customized to your domains, your plugins, so people see your work. Obviously, viewing my site. This is how my site looks like. Let's go visit. So this is one of my papers that I did. Go down to it. You have to read more of it, but it was basically just um, certain things that you can just put on your site, and um, you get to evaluate every student's papers, and we did it for four papers. We actually did it for a good 2 weeks. I loved it. It was a great tool for us. I still use it to this day. Um, I like to brag about having my blog or my site using WordPress. Um, what else is unique about it? Certainly the comments, so you get a lot of good feedbacks from your students or from your classmates. I like the feedback part of it. Let's go back to other ones. Like for one assignment, we had to write with sources. The other assignments had to be a textual analysis, um, and it was just a great use of a tool to actually display it not only just to the class, but just kind of just to on internet and looking at your work, and it's always going to be there. So I loved it. It was a great tool. Going back to it, let's see. Go back to my site and stats. Okay. See the insights and my stats for the WordPress that we created. It was a great analogy towards my English class and the themes that we had. Um, it also made us more intrigued with the subjects. It also made everything better. Um, you can write or compose whatever you're gonna do from here. You start creating your work, putting your titles and all that type of stuff. Um, it's one of the best tools I've had so far in my college career or university career for English or just papers or anything like that. It makes things more fun, more intriguing, more interesting. I like it. Basically, that's how it worked. Um, it made things much easier to connect to students also, not only just across, across the nation, but, just in your community, so that was basically it. Bless you. Excuse me. Sorry. But yeah, I loved it. It was a great tool. Um, my ePort blog, by me. It's one of those good things about English and WordPress. Yeah.